there's advanced tax strategies for clients that are worth over married couples that are worth over or that have assets worth over 22 million. Like for example, like gifting, and I've heard of other things. Obviously, it's a completely different show, but there
Yeah,
is
that's
like that, right?
yeah. There are options if you address it early enough through gifting, working with an estate attorney on how to title your property, how to hold property, where it goes after you pass away, that type of stuff. So there are avenues to explore if that's a situation that you're facing.
So essentially, if you're in that situation, once again, reach out to your accountant, reach out to an estate planning attorney, and start planning for these sorts of things, just so that you have the right information, the right data to be able to make decisions. Good.
Right.
I think
And
that's.
unfortunately, it's something we see a lot of people put off until too late.
Mhm.
And so it's something, if you know you have a portfolio of real estate or other assets, you own a business, whatever it may be, the sooner you can address this stuff, the easier it is to plan for, to transfer, to take care of this stuff. You don't want to be worrying about this, and you don't want your heirs to be worrying about this either.
Not only that, but it's so important. Like I feel like having the right team of attorneys, accountants, professionals, financial advisors helping you make decisions is one of the most important things, because I mean we never know when we're going to pass away. I mean, like literally, like people don't plan to pass away. So essentially, the earlier you talk about this kind of stuff and the sooner you get it out in the open, the better you can plan and plan for the unfortunate. I mean, something could happen. I mean, we don't have an expiration date, so.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, I always advise clients when I see they buy a house or they have children, that's the first time to start thinking about life insurance and having an estate plan in place. Because, like you said, you never know. And you don't want your spouse having to deal with this stuff if something should happen.